Friends, in this video, let's talk about how to set trade settings in Metafutures. First is my cost. In my cost option, as much amounts trade you want to place, you have to set that value. As I have set 20, whenever I will place any trade, then 20 USDT will deduct from my account. The second is leverage. Friends, leverage is a loan that we take from Binance Exchange while placing a trade. This is a leverage meter. With the help of it you can set leverage. Suppose you have set 100 USDT in my cost. And 10 times in leverage, 100 into 10, 1000 USDT will display in total cost. That means whenever you will place a trade, 1000 USDT's trade will place. 1000 minus 100, total 900 USDT loan Binance Exchange has given us. Next is the trade start callback. Trade start callback is used to take the maximum or minimum possible price to start the bot. Suppose that you have placed an order that the market will go up, but to generate maximum profit the bot will not place an order here. It will wait for the market to go down as possible to get the lowest value to start trade. As I have entered a 0.2% value in trade start callback, whenever the market will go up by 0.2%, then immediately the bot will place an order. Same in another case, if you have placed an order that market will go down, then the bot will not place an order here. It will wait for the market to go up as possible to get the highest value to start trade. Whenever the market will go down by 0.2%, then immediately the bot will place an order. Next is the stop loss percentage. Stop loss percentage is the maximum percent that will be hit after the bot closes the trade in loss. Suppose that you have bought a trade and placed stop loss at 5%. Assume that you have bought a trade here, but instead of going up, it starts leading towards loss. So whenever the trade will go down by 5%, stop loss will hit, and immediately the bot will come out after closing the trade. Let's talk about margin call limit and margin configuration. The margin callback limit is used for averaging. You can buy or sell the same trade with a higher, lower amount to decrease row percent. The margin call limit determines how many times the bot will buy or sell a particular trade. As I have entered 3 in margin call limit, the bot will buy or sell a trade 3 times. To understand the margin call limit properly, let's talk about margin configuration. Friends, as much value you will enter here, the same number of calls will display in margin configuration. I have entered 3 in the margin call limit, so 3 calls are getting displayed here. Whenever trade will come down by 3%, then the first call will hit and the bot will buy or sell trade once. So when a trade will come down by 5.5%, then the second call will hit and the bot will buy or sell trade once. So when a trade will come down by 7%, then the second call will hit and the bot will buy or sell trade once. Next is the whole position take profit ratio. It's the profit percent that you want to take. After this percent the bot will trigger the order. Suppose that you have placed an order that the trade will go up. As I have entered 0.5% value in the whole position take profit ratio, so whenever the trade will go up by 0.5%, then the bot will come out after extracting profit, but there is a possibility that the trade will go up more. Same in another case, you have placed an order that trade will go down. So when your trade will go down by 0.5%, then the bot will come out after extracting profit, but there is a possibility that the trade will go down more. For that, set the whole position take profit callback. It's the maximum callback the trade gets to get the maximum profit. After this callback the trade is closed. I have entered a 0.3% value in the whole position take profit callback. Let's talk about the case in which trade is going up. When the trade will go down by 0.3%, then the bot will close the trade after extracting profit. Same in another case where trade is going down. When the trade will go up by 0.3%, then the bot will close the trade after extracting profit. Next is buy-in callback. It's the maximum callback the trade gets to reorder at the minimum, maximum price possible. Suppose that the trade is going down. You have set the first buy call at 3%, so when the trade will go down by 3%, then the bot will buy a trade. But there is a possibility that the trade will go down more. As I have entered 0.5% value in buy-in callback, when the trade will go up by 0.5% value, then the bot will buy a trade. Let's talk about liquidation settings. The first is to add margin to prevent liquidation. It is the percentage near the liquidation price at which the bot will add the liquidation add margin. As I have entered a 1.3% value in it. So when the margin between the current price of your trade and the liquidation price remains 1.3%, then it will add margin amount. How much amount you want to add, you have to set that value in liquidation add margin. As I have set 10 USDT, so when the margin between the current price and liquidation price remains 1.3%, then it will add 10 USDT from your account balance. Next is save liquidation times and liquidation notify percentage. Save liquidation times is the number of times you want to add liquidation margin automatically by the bot. As I have entered 3 times in save liquidation times, the bot will add the liquidation margin amount 3 times. Next is the liquidation notify percentage. In it, I have entered a 2% value. When the margin between the current price and liquidation price remains 2%, then the bot will send a notification on your phone.